Tired of fumbling with tiny SIM cards? Let's unlock the future of mobile connectivity by activating your US Mobile Esim in under 90 seconds. First, make sure your phone supports Esim's most newer iPhones and Androids. You can usually find a compatibility checker on the US Mobile website or app to be absolutely sure. Next, log into your US Mobile account on your computer or another device. Navigate to your line details and locate your Esim QR code. It's usually under the Activate Esim or Digital SIM section. Now, grab your phone and open your camera app. Pointed at the QR code. A notification should pop up prompting you to download the Esim profile. Tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Esim. You'll likely be asked to confirm your choice and might need to enter your device passcode. Once installed, head to your phone's cellular or mobile data settings. You'll see both your physical SIM if you have one and your new US Mobile Esim here. You can choose which SIM to use for calls, texts, and mobile data. Select the US Mobile Esim for data and give it a descriptive name, like US Mobile Data or Work Line. This will help you easily identify it later. If you're having trouble connecting, try toggling airplane mode on and off. Also, double-check your app settings. You can usually find the correct APN information on the US Mobile website. Search for app settings and follow the instructions for your device. That's it, you've successfully activated your US Mobile Esim. Now you can enjoy the flexibility of switching between different mobile plans and managing multiple numbers on a single device. Unlock ultimate control over your mobile experience with US Mobile Esim. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials and stay connected.